and all that this blue dot stands for. Life, hope, opportunity, prosperity, nurturing, sustainability. This is the blue shield, the shield that enables life. Carved out of the same DNA of making the world a better place, emerged Sonalika and Solis. Fueled by the passion to transform, Sonalika and Solis embarked upon a journey to redefine the paradigm of the agri-business. Today we have a global presence in over 150 countries and a #1 brand in Nepal, Portugal, Finland, France, Germany, Bangladesh, Belgium, Hungary, Czech Republic, Myanmar, Algeria, and many more in addressable segment. With a global reach of over 3,000 dealer network, it is the #1 exporter since 2019, the #3 tractor brand in India, and with the largest range of farm tractors in 16 to 125 horsepower. Sonalika and Solis are now at the cusp of being self-sufficient. Today we have the biggest tractor manufacturing plant with over 80% in-house manufacturing. Our enabler is technology and innovation. Armed with the futuristic and cutting-edge technology and inspired by the elements of the blue planet, the earth, water, fire, wind and space, we present to you our Game Changer High Torque Future Product Series. The S Series, resilient and resolute like the element Earth. A high 110 HP product with bar shuttle that provides a stable and higher performance output. Just as the earth represents abundance, nourishment, and the harvest time to celebrate it, the S Series is celebration of power to do more in less time, consuming less fuel. The Solis S Series has been meticulously designed to serve as the ultimate all-purpose solution for contemporary mixed farming needs. Its distinctive Nova styling sets it apart as the most appealing tractor in the industry. Whether you're engaging in loader operations, using front or rear mounted agricultural implements, or simply traveling on the road, the Solis S-Series is committed to providing premium features that are a first in the industry, offering a wide range of customizable options, from transmissions to engines, along with engine speed management and leading fuel efficiency. It ensures top-notch performance every time and minimal soil compaction. Water. Built on the concept of fluidity, the N-Series has been designed to adapt to various conditions of vineyard orchards' special farming needs. The narrow tractor is custom designed for both power and precision. It effortlessly navigates through tight spaces with its remarkable low track width and seating, making it the perfect choice for orchards and vineyards. This tractor serves as your dependable ally in cultivating the highest quality crops. Whether your needs involve fertilization, irrigation, pesticide application, or the meticulous care of your fruit farms through weeding and pruning, Solis N-Series is there to provide support in every step of the way.
Presenting to you our next superstar for this day. Let's welcome it with a big round of applause. The N-Series.
The element fire is encapsulated in its true essence in our H-Series. Transforming the farming landscape with utmost passion, The H-series tractors are like a burst of energy at work and comfort during the operations. The H-series introduces an innovative hydrostatic automatic transmission that delivers a seamless cruise control experience. With its forward and reverse pedals, it offers unmatched ease of use and operational comfort, making it the ultimate selection for efficient farming. Whether your tasks involve springtime lawn care or winter snow clearance, the H-series with its revolutionary HVAC cabins is your dependable companion throughout the year.
Gentlemen, let's make some noise for the H-series SV Electric. Here we go.
Our next series is a true embodiment of the tenets of air. The lightweight C-series is uncontainable and is gathering speed as it expands its presence. The C-series is equipped with a state-wide engine, ensuring exceptional durability and effortless performance. It is specifically crafted for paddy farming and lightweight applications, allowing you to enhance your farming productivity while maintaining top-notch efficiency. Whether you require a tractor for your hobby farm or for more extensive agricultural purposes, the C-series has been thoughtfully designed to meet your needs.
Ladies and gentlemen, the C-series is right here for all of you to witness for the very first time. Let's welcome it with a thunderous round of applause.
And finally, it all boils down to sustainability, longevity, and consciousness of the space we occupy. Just as the blue shield that has been providing life on this planet, the SV series is our consciousness towards a green and sustainable future. The electric tractor boasts an impressive range and offers both rapid and on-board charging capabilities. It is designed to last for a decade, features outstanding hydraulic flow, and distinguishes itself in the industry with an unprecedented innovation, constant torque and power, ensuring no loss of performance due to its optimized electric powertrain. Powered by electric, the SV series is the start of a perfect roadmap for a sustainable future.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a superstar for the day. For the very first time presenting to you, SV Electric! Woohoo! And
With a commitment deeper than the deepest ocean, with a mission as resolute as the tallest mountain, and a vision higher than the skies, we continue our journey into the future.
Thank you very much. Just to share a few details about some S series. This S series, the tractors ranging from 16 horsepower to 125 horsepower. This series caters to the agriculture needs, hobby farming, to the toughest farming applications. Big round of applause for S series once again. Coming to H series, we have a full range of hydrostatic range. It is from H 22, 24, 26, and it will go up to 32 horsepower. And later we are going to have 38 horsepower as well. This will witness a comfortable, the sitting, unparalleled ease with hydrostatic automatic transmission. Brace yourself, behold the wonders of this mighty tractor series. Once again, a big round of applause for this H series. This is for the first time. ITL is launching a SV series, presenting an innovative way of farming with Solis SV series. It comes with SV24, SV26, and SV35. This series represents a significant leap forward in agriculture farming. Powered by a robust electric motor, this series boosts impressive torque and power while remaining environmentally friendly, producing zero emissions. Big round of applause for SV series, please. Coming to our compact range, this is the most desired model for paddy application in various markets. This series will come with C35, C38 and C48, powered by stage 5 emission compliant engine for durability and effortless performance. This farm expert can elevate your farming productivity in paddy farming without compromising efficiency. Big round of applause for C series as well. Launching the ultimate narrow farming expert, ideal for orchard and vineyard applications. The Solis N series comes in N60, N75 and 90, 3 different horsepower category. And so partner in cultivating the finest crops tailored for power and precision. This narrow tractor can easily breeze through narrow fields with incredible maneuverability. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, Mr. Gaurav Saxena. Well, that was an in-depth detail. And ladies and gentlemen, today happens to be an absolutely historical day for all of us here at ITL. Because today we've launched not one, not two, but as many as 5 tractors right here in front of all of you. And there is so much more that we would like to share with you all. Well, there's a dearth of opportunities that are waiting for us. There's a huge market worldwide that has been waiting for us to open up and get more products. And I can assure you that the coming years look brighter, bigger than ever before. Well, it's time for us to move on. And at this very special juncture, I would like to invite on stage some very special gentlemen who've definitely been the pillars of strength for all of us here at ITL. I would like them to join us for a photo opportunity. I'm sure the media and press members have been awaiting this moment. I would request Mr. Raman Mittal to please join us. We want a photo op first, don't we? Yeah? So can we have the entire ITL management team firstly here for the photo op? Everybody, gentlemen. So, can I request Dr. Amrit Sagar Mittal to please join us, Dr. Deepak Mittal to please join us. Mr. Raman is already here with us. Mr. Sushant Sagar Mittal, Mr. Rahul Mittal, Mr. Akshay Sangwan, and Mr. Gaurav Saxena. This is going to be a photo op. This is a moment we've been waiting for. Welcome, gentlemen. Let's have a big round of applause for all of them. Hello, gentlemen. Welcome. So we would request you all to please have a one of the tractors first. So can I request all the members of media and press, if you would like, this is your moment to click the picture. I invite you all to join us here for a group photograph of the top management of ITL with the newly launched. We're going to begin first with S110. Can I request you all to please join us there? So what we're going to do is, we're going to start first, gentlemen. First we'll look at the camera and the press there, then here, and then here, all right? Okay, so we're going to start with front first. Let's have a big smile. Thank you so much. Can I request you to look at your left, towards left side. Okay, there they are. Hello, everyone. A big smile. And slightly more towards the left because we have a few of our media friends here. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now towards N90. I would request you all to please join us towards N90. We'll have one photo up there as well, please. Okay, so Okay, sorry, we are first